If you would like to change your channel category, then watch this video as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business with YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel category on your videos if that's what you'd like to do. Now, being in the correct category is very important for your content because YouTube needs to know where to put your videos. If you're put in the wrong category, it can be very damaging to your channel, especially if you're a business, because your content is going to put in with other content which is completely wrong. We've had problems with clients in the past that were put in the wrong category when they should have been in a completely different one, and to undo all of that was a big problem to do. So getting your category right from the beginning is very important. But if you are changing your content and you are changing your category because of that, then this video will show you how. So let's head on over to the trusty computer. So here we are on the YouTubes. So to change the category, go up to the top, click on your icon up the top and into YouTube Studio. So to change your category for your default updates, go to settings on the left hand side. So you want to go down to upload defaults and then to advanced settings. So you'll see your category here, and currently mine is set to education. So if I wanted to set mine to how to and style, I can do so. I just click on that there and then click on save. Or if you want to change it to any other one here, you have 15 categories to choose from. So if you want to select sports, travel and events, gaming, etc., select the one that you want and then click on save. Now your upload defaults are set, so any new videos going up will be automatically added to the how to and style or whatever category you have selected. So to change your existing videos, go to your videos on the left hand side. If you want to change one or two of them, select the videos that you want and then go to edit here and then to category. Now, if you want to edit all of them, then you can select them all here with the select all checkbox. Again, go to edit, go to category, and then change your category here. So if I wanted to put these in the how to and style now, since they're in the education category, I can just simply select how to and style and then click on update videos. You click the checkbox, yes, I understand the implications of this action, and then click on update videos. Now all of my videos are being updated and all future videos will be updated as well. And that's how you change your channel category on your existing videos and also your videos to come. So why are you changing your channel category? Is it too similar or is it something you're doing completely different? Whatever your reason, let me know in the comments area below. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere here and also hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. And also make sure to hit one of these videos here for more tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel.